Are you tired of your downloads cluttering the default folder? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change Chrome's download location to anywhere you want on your computer. Let's dive in. First, let me show you where Chrome currently saves your downloads. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. This is Chrome's default location, but we're about to change that. Now, open Google Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings page, look for Downloads in the left sidebar and click it. You'll see the current download location displayed right here. To change it, click Change button next to the location path. Now you can choose any folder you want. For this example, I'll create a new folder on my C drive. Navigate to C drive, click on New Folder, and I'll name it Chrome Downloads. Select that folder, and you're done. The new path is now set as your default download location. Let's test this to make sure it works. I'll open a new tab and search for GIT download. I'll click on the official GIT website and hit the download button. Let's wait for the download to complete. Now let's verify. I'll click on Show in Folder next to the downloaded file. This opens directly to our Chrome Downloads folder on the C drive, and you can see the GIT installer file saved in our custom location. Now you know how to organize your downloads exactly the way you want.